All right, guys, so it's time for the weekly walkthrough at Lowe's for some sales and clearance. So first up, we got the 43-inch fixed leg sawhorses by Kobalt coming in at $30, $29.98. Haven't heard much about Lowe's Black Friday sale, so I'm not sure if this is going to be part of the sale here or what, but this was the new stuff that they had put out. A bunch of Kobalt tools. I remember last year for the Black Friday sale, they had kind of similar selection that they put out, but they actually covered up some of the prices with new lower prices during the sale. So I'm not sure if that's what's going to go on here. If you guys heard anything about the Lowe's Black Friday sale, let me know in the comment section below. Here's they got your choice 149. They got the impact. This is the mid torque impact wrench. And this comes in at 500 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. And this does come with a 4 amp hour battery and a 150 watt rapid charger. So it is the kit. Or you can pick up the 2-tool combo kit. And then that's also going to come with the battery and charger. So your choice, 149. So for $27.98, they had the rechargeable LED work light. And that comes in at 1,000 lumens. Or they got the rechargeable clamp light, and that one's going to come in at around 50 bucks. And this one's pumping out 1,500 lumens. They also had some levels for Kobalt. So they had a 9-inch magnetic level coming in at $9.98. And then they also had the 24-inch level coming in at $24.98. They had some battery deals also. So the 2 amp hour battery pack, new lower price on that, down to 20 bucks. And then they had the charger at 30. They also had a couple Kobalt drill drive sets for $25.98. One of them was a 21-piece titanium, and then they had the 50-piece drive set. They also had another work light for Kobalt. This one actually had a new lower price down to $39. It was $69. This is the bare tool only. This isn't rechargeable. This is going to actually take Kobalt batteries. And this one's also 1,000 lumens. Had the 4 amp hour battery, 70 bucks for that one. Bluetooth speaker, bare tool, 80 bucks. Job site blower, bare tool, $60. And then they had the starter kit for $60. They also had the Kobalt 20-piece ratcheting wrench set down to $60. This was 100 bucks. Also had some Craftsman stuff set up here. So this is the V20, not the RP. Your choice for $59, either the impact driver kit or you can get the drill a driver kit. They also had the Craftsman level down to $5.98. And then they also had the Craftsman folding knife, the utility knife, $10.98. I also seen some DeWalt stuff on sale. So 100-piece flex torque fastening set, 40 bucks for this one. There's a quick look at it there. Nice setup, 100 pieces. Comes in a little carry case. They also had the 10-piece recip saw blades for $15.98. Tough grip fastener bit set for $14.98. And then they had some more Craftsman stuff on the end here. So this is 20-piece quarter-inch drive set for $20, regularly $36.98. And this comes with the low profile 70-tooth ratchet, compatible with the VersaStack system. Then they had some fiberglass hammers coming in at 6 bucks. And because they're still in the process setting up, these last two didn't even have prices on them. So not sure what the prices on those are going to be. But then they had some hex keys for 15 bucks. Or for the same price, you can get the 2-pack adjustable wrenches. And that's going to include a 6-inch and 10-inch adjustable wrench. And then they also had the 61-piece mechanic tool set coming in at $40. Comes in a nice little hard case, 3/8 drive. Also for DeWalt, they had your choice for $99. They had a few different things to choose from here. They had the blower kit, task light kit, or the Bluetooth speaker kit. Got some more Craftsman deals. So right here they had the 14-piece drill bit set for 10 bucks. They had the 41-piece fastening bit set for 10 bucks. 60-piece drill drive set for 25 bucks. 140-piece drill drive set for $40. And then they had the hole saw set for $35. Also had some deals going on for Klein. So here is the Mod Box 3-drawer toolbox, $160 for this one. And these are pretty nice, built pretty well. 3 drawers with your dividers, and these are lockable. They also had the single drawer for $140. And here's a look at the locking mechanism I was talking about. So that's a metal bar that runs up the middle there. You can put a padlock on there to lock those all closed. See your dividers, pretty deep drawer. And then when you want to close it up, just flip that metal bar back up, locks it into place. You can throw a little padlock on there, helps secure it a little bit. They also had the Klein 2-piece utility knife, $20, so $10 a piece on those. Then they also had some Klein gloves on sale, so here's the cut-resistant 5-pack, down to $15. And then they also had the 3-pack down to $10. Few more Kobalt deals. We got the chainsaw. This is a 14-inch 40-volt kit coming in at $229, so you get $20 off on that. This is going to come with the 4-amp-hour battery, 80-watt charger. Or you can pick up the 40-volt leaf blower kit for $149. They also had the 40-volt pole saw kit, $200 for this one. Now this one only comes with the 2-amp-hour battery. They also had some Ego deals. So here is the Ego 56-volt 12-inch snow shovel coming in at $349. This was $400. Now I was actually looking at these, not specifically the Ego, but just the power shovels in general from a bunch of different brands. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys used these before and how well they worked. They also had the 16-inch chainsaw. Battery and charger included with this one. You get a 2.5-amp-hour battery. Now, I wasn't too sure about the snow shovels, how well those work, because I never used one before. But I tell you what, these battery-operated chainsaws work pretty well if you got a downed tree, some limbs or anything, and you just need to make short work of it. These things come in pretty handy. They also had the blower kit coming in at $179. This also comes with the 2.5-amp-hour battery. And this one's 615 CFM. But if you're looking for something a little bit better, they had the 765 CFM coming in at $299. And that one's going to come with a 5-amp-hour battery. They also had some Ego snow blowers on sale. So for $699, they had this 21-inch single stage, was $749. And then they also had for $13.99 self-propelled 24-inch 2-stage. This comes with a 7.5-amp-hour battery. And of course, you know you got to check out the back aisle when you're at Lowe's, see if you find any good deals. And it looks like, if you guys seen my previous video, it was about 2 weeks ago for Lowe's, they had tons of lights that were clearanced out. They had Kobalt lights, they had some Lux Pro lights, Nebo lights, Coast lights. Pretty much every brand that they carry, they had clearanced out. So if you guys are looking for some flashlights, maybe in a power out situation or camping, check out your Lowe's. You might find some good deals on some lights. Now, as I walked over to the tool section, I noticed they had some more clearance racks over there. So these weren't even in the back aisle. Here's the Skill 2-amp-hour battery down to $16. They had some Metabo stuff, and I've seen this before at my Lowe's. So here is the impact driver kit coming with 2-amp-hour batteries down to $83.42. Then they also had the 2-tool combo kit, which I think this is a really good deal if you can find it at your Lowe's. That was $107. And that kit also comes with 2-amp-hour batteries, so not a bad deal on that. And then they also had the drill driver kit for $77.42. They also had the Flex Light, $169. This was $199 clearance out. Bare tool only on that one. Another bare tool is this Craftsman RP. This is the Impact, $59 for that. Not a bad deal. They also had the Bosch dual voltage charger. So this does 18 volt and 12 volt. $40 for that one. On the other side of the rack, they had some DeWalt stuff. So here's the Power Stack battery coming in at $71.42. They also had the XR hammer drill, $64.52. They had the drill kit with the Power Stack battery for $125.32. And then they also had the Power Stack starter kit for $179. Also seen over by the Flex Power Tools, they had the jigsaw clearanced out to $129.37. Also seen the Flex rear handle circular saw kit down to $339.17. And this comes with a 10-amp-hour stacked lithium battery. They have some deals going on for Skill Power Core 12. So you purchase a 12-volt battery starter kit. You can get one of the select 12-volt tools for free. There's a look at all the numbers. If you guys are interested in that, you can check that out on the website. And then they also had a new lower price on this Skill. This is a newer tool. This is pretty cool. This is the flip drill. This is the kit coming in at $79.98. So not a bad deal on this. So in case you guys aren't aware, it actually has this little flip head, and both of them have the quick connect hex. So you can put a drill bit in one side, maybe a Phillips head on the other side, and you just flip that around. So you can go ahead and drill in a pilot hole, flip it around, and then shoot your screw in. Pretty nice design there. Definitely a great tool to help speed up projects. Another cool tool they got is this Skill Twist 2.0. So this is a rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. Only $19.98 for this. So this is pretty cool. It's got the pivoting head. Regularly $30. Still got the buy one, get one going on for DeWalt. So if you purchase one of the select DeWalt 12-volt tools or the kit, you get the battery for free. So there's a look at the tools to pick from. And like I said, if you pick one of those up, you get the 5 amp hour battery. And then here are the kits. Pick up one of these kits. And then you also qualify for the 5 amp hour battery. I also got another buy one get one for DeWalt. So the 2-pack 5 amp hour battery kit or DeWalt XR2 tool combo kit, you get 2 DeWalt tools for free. And there's a look at the buy and get numbers. And then they also had another buy one get one. So the 4-pack batteries, pick that up. You also qualify for a free tool. And there's all your buy item and get item numbers. Then as I walked around the corner, I seen another tool clearance rack. So I don't know what Lowe's is doing. Usually everything's in the back aisle, but for some reason at this Lowe's, they had multiple different racks, end caps that had clearance items on them. Most of these look like they might have been display models that they're just trying to move. Maybe for new models coming in, not really sure. Let me know in the comment section below what type of clearance deals you guys are finding at your local Lowe's. So I guess word of advice is make sure you check out throughout your store now for clearance deals, because you might not find them just in the back aisle at your local Lowe's. Also seen this on the rack. So here is the Kobalt digital torque wrench. Was $199, clearanced out to $150. This is a 1/2-inch torque wrench, all the way up to 250 foot-pounds. I also had the Klein 2-piece screwdriver set. This was $30 down to $25.47. And then they also had the Klein 4-piece precision screwdrivers, 50% off on these. I also had a clearance deal on the Flex 29-piece drive bit set, down to $15.97. A couple more DeWalt items I seen was the impact driver kit, down to $104.30. And then they also had the XR sander kit, down to $139. Another random clearance, they had the Works 2 amp hour battery down to $13.72. It says it was $54.98. Seems a little inflated there, but $13.72 is not a bad deal for a 2 amp hour battery. And then they also had the Craftsman 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries down to $60. This was $129. Also seems a little inflated in my opinion. Here's the 277-piece mechanic tool set by Kobalt, down to $99 clearanced out. In this case, does have the built-in drawers. They also had the Craftsman 33-piece 1/2-inch drive mechanic set, down to $75.97. And then if you're looking for something with a little bit more tools, here's the 298-piece master mechanic set, down to $279. And this is going to have your 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive, 6-point and 12-point sockets. Do not think this comes with a case. I think this is actually just in like a cardboard box though. And then I did find a clearance deal on this Craig adaptive cutting system. This was $299 down to $239. Alright guys, so that's going to be about it for this Lowe's update. Now if you're looking for some updates for Home Depot, I just posted some of their Black Friday deals. And also, if you like shopping at Harbor Freight, I did post a video of their leaked Black Friday sale. I'll have those videos at the end of this video, so if you guys are interested in those, click on them. Hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you did, hit that like button, and if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.